Are pet accidents, kid spills, or car interior messes driving you crazy? You need a powerful solution that's easy to use anywhere. Meet the Bissell Little Green Portable Cleaner. This compact powerhouse is designed for those smaller, unexpected messes. It sprays, scrubs, and lifts away dirt and stains from various surfaces. No need for a bulky machine. From carpets and stairs to upholstery and car interiors, the Little Green handles it all. It's perfect for pet owners, parents, and anyone living in apartments or needing to detail their car. Its portability is a game changer. Enjoy powerful suction that pulls up tough spots and stains. The large 48-ounce tank means less refilling, and it helps remove odors too. It even comes with specialty tools for different jobs. Every Bissell purchase helps save homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation. So you're not just cleaning your home or car, you're making a difference. It's a reliable choice trusted by thousands. Ready to make messes disappear and keep your spaces looking fresh? Get the Bissell Little Green Cleaner today. Find this highly rated, practical tool available on Amazon and experience the cleaning power for yourself. After testing the Bissell Little Green, it's clear this is a smart investment for anyone who wants powerful, no-hassle cleaning. Whether you have kids, pets, or just want to keep your home spotless, this compact cleaner gets the job done efficiently. Ready to make cleaning easier? Don't wait, click the link below and grab yours today on Amazon.